Powering up operable smart glass partitions, such as sliding doors, could be a bit tricky, but don't worry, we got you covered. Let's explore how we can use flat wire for powering up smart glass or film.
Flat wire is a ribbon-like low-voltage cable that comes in rolls, with two thin copper alloy conductors and a peelable adhesive backing. It connects to regular wires using a connector adapter or by direct soldering. When running power under drywall isn't an option, it's the perfect solution for powering smart glass partitions. Just peel, stick, and it easily creates an electrical link between your smart glass or film and the controller. It's far less visible than bulky cable channels and can run neatly along frames, baseboards, corners, or ceilings, routing power almost anywhere without major construction. Once installed, you can paint over it, making it virtually invisible. The result is a clean and efficient installation, preserving the sleek, modern look of your smart glass or film. Feel free to explore our other videos for alternative power delivery methods.